Every post is a signal. Give it fuel. Boost eggs, the social value layer.
Let's go. Good morning, my friends. It's your old pal PeaceLoveMusic with another episode of the Let's Go Good Morning Show, brought to you live by DeOrganized Media in partnership with our amazing friends at Bitcoin Live Decentralized Broadcasting. It is Monday, another week to crush it Guys, let me know if my audio is okay. I actually was playing around with it, and I'm not sure. I can't monitor it in live without headphones on, and it looks stupid, messes my hair up, which is already bad enough. So let me know if the audio is good. Thank you, young GP in the background, letting me know. The co-host / producer / partner with the most art nerds. I'm not sure how to rhyme that, but you guys know what I'm saying. Markets looked rough overnight. Seems like there was a flash crash. A lot of shorts, longs got liquidated in Bitcoin. Lots of stuff happening in the space. Lots of things going on in the world, and we're here to tell you all about it. Thank you for tuning in. Friendly reminder, this is a news and information show providing some education, hopefully some entertainment, and never financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I'm not qualified to give financial advice. I'm just sharing my opinions sometimes, my non-professional jack-off realtor opinions, but not giving you financial advice. Do not, and for the record, anyone on a podcast, they might try to tell you that something's the latest thing and you need to get into it, but always do your own research. You can always stop in here and ask questions about a project if you're really interested, and we'll do some research for you, provide you some information on it. But always do your own research. Never invest money you cannot afford to lose. That being said, let's take a look at CoinMarketCap for the numbers this morning. I hope you guys are ready. Bitcoin's coming in at 112,628 gross. That's terrible. Now we're down like almost 3% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum's down 6.4%, down over the last 7 days. Everything but Tether. BNB still actually rocked up. Still over $1,000. That's interesting. Dark horse, in my opinion. I don't have a big bag of BNB, but I always love to see projects with staying power. It's good for the space. Stacks coming in, still holding on to 60 cents, down like 8%. Again, this was a flash crash. Sometimes this is an opportunity on red days. Just saying, not financial advice. And Stacks did fall to number 76 by market cap on CoinMarketCap. The top 3 gainers on CoinMarketCap today are OG, Sun, and IP. I'm not familiar with OG, so if you guys know about it, definitely ripped. So when things do stuff like that, in my opinion, probably late. IP, by the way, has been in here for a long time. They've been slowly growing. I'm not as familiar with the project, except for I see them regularly in its top 3 gainers, and over a long time. And, they come and go, and they come and go. So that's interesting. Be a little bit more than, I don't know Sun, I don't know OG. Mantle's been rocking in that gainers area too. Fear and Greed Index still in that neutral range, but at 47. Let's take a look at the news today. Where do we got? Talk about these numbers. Bolivia turns to USDT. Toyota, Yamaha, and BYD dealerships in Bolivia have begun accepting USDT as payment as the nation grapples with a worsening US dollar shortage. The Boliviano has come under increasing strain as imports and fuel purchases rely heavily on foreign currency. Businesses are now turning to stablecoins to maintain operations, avoid liquidity bottlenecks, and keep sales flowing despite forex scarcity. Analysts suggest this could mark a broader trend across Latin America, where stablecoins are emerging as a practical alternative to hard cash during currency crises. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. And this seems to be the game theory for dollar hegemony through stablecoins, US dollar stablecoins. Interesting stuff going on in the world today. I'm not sure why I didn't get a card on that. Showed up earlier. Metaplanet adds 5,419 BTC. Japanese investment firm Metaplanet has acquired 5,419 additional BTC, raising its total Bitcoin portfolio to an estimated $2.71 billion. The company has modeled its aggressive Bitcoin strategy after MicroStrategy, positioning BTC as a hedge against inflation and ongoing yen weakness. This move cements Metaplanet's role as one of the largest publicly traded Bitcoin holders worldwide, reinforcing institutional confidence in BTC as a treasury reserve asset. Market watchers say the purchase highlights how corporate demand continues to drive Bitcoin's long-term value position despite volatility. Oh, the rates at StackingDAO today. You can earn yield. Guys, if you don't know, Stacks has fast, low-fee transactions, proof of transfer security, and Bitcoin finality, and you can earn Bitcoin rewards through the proof of transfer mechanism. And StackingDAO has actually created a couple of alternatives ways to leverage that yield. You can get native Bitcoin reward yielding with stacking your stacks directly at StackingDAO and get 9.63% with your yield paid in Bitcoin. Or there are a couple of liquid staking options where you can actually earn 9.16% APY with yield in STX with STX liquid stacking token, or in yield in SBTC with 8.89%. SBTC is programmable Bitcoin to be deployed further into Bitcoin-oriented DeFi options on Stacks. Stacks has fast, low-fee transactions, proof of transfer security, programmable Bitcoin, a robust Bitcoin-centric DeFi ecosystem, and a huge creator economy growing. Check out DGrants and Stacks Ascent and a bunch of other projects going on Stacks to help builder growth. Really cool stuff coming. Pay attention. Bitcoin flash crash. Talked about this briefly. Bitcoin briefly plunged below $113,000 in a sudden flash crash, triggering widespread liquidations and rattling investor confidence. The fall followed BTC's recent rally above $120,000 and left analysts divided on whether this is a healthy correction or the start of a deeper downside. While some traders point to macroeconomic uncertainty and U.S. Federal Reserve policy as likely factors, others argued that ETF inflows could stabilize demand. Key technical support levels are now being tested, making upcoming weeks critical for BTC momentum and investor sentiment. Saylor versus short sellers. Oops, what did I do here? That was not what I was trying to do. You guys didn't want to see that. Saylor versus short sellers. Michael Saylor, co-founder of Strategy, formerly MicroStrategy, has accused short sellers of deploying bot armies to spread negative sentiment about the company's stock. He claims coordinated disinformation campaigns are fueling bearish pressure despite Bitcoin's relative price stability. Critics, including veteran short seller Jim Chanos, dismissed Saylor's allegations as unsubstantiated and demanded evidence. Strategy's share price recently fell to a 5-month low of $323, raising questions about the firm's exposure to Bitcoin volatility and market skepticism of its leveraged accumulation strategy. Listen, the nature of the game is that there are going to be longs and shorts. And the longs and shorts will try to do what they can to shade the market. I hope it's not a bot thing going on, but the idea that that's not something that would happen it's just silly. We're beyond that in the world. That is definitely a possibility. Hype token unlock pressure. This is actually one to be aware of, because there's been a ton of hype on hype, and I see a lot of people interested in it, and I'm not saying they shouldn't be, but Arthur Hayes' Maelstrom fund has raised concerns about Hyperliquid's hype token, citing $11.9 billion in upcoming team unlocks as a major test of its market resilience. That's a huge, huge number, $11.9 billion in token unlock. Beginning November 29th, $410 million worth of tokens will vest monthly for 24 months, a pace far outstripping the project's buyback and burn programs. Hayes, who has previously been bullish on hype, acknowledged that the scale of these unlocks could create heavy sell pressure and dampen investor confidence. The report frames the unlocks as the token's first true test in sustaining long-term value. Be aware of what's going on in the markets, fam. That's just the truth of it. It could always go south, and always be prepared to lose everything in an investment. That's why we tell you to never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Bitcoin's ETFs took in $977 million last week, led by BlackRock's IBIT with $490 million. Potter isn't selling. Potter's buying. Ethereum ETFs added $557 million with ETH-A, topping $513 million, and FETH at $28 million. Net inflows. Significant net inflows last week. And so we have a correction. Lots happening in the ecosystem today. We had another great whatever morning space with Binta. If you guys aren't tuning in, it's every Monday through Friday at 8 a.m. Binta and the DeOrganized Good Vibe Tribe, GP, 300. We got a bunch of regulars that come on today. Nosferatu made it out. It's been busy the last couple of weeks, so I haven't seen him as much. It was great getting him on there. John D was out there. We get a bunch of people coming on just chatting. It's an open space. It's like a friendly kind of conversational type of thing. It's like a morning coffee chat. We talk about what's going on in our ecosystem. It's a great time. It's a great way to get your vibes straight. So check them out every Monday through Friday at 8 a.m. We do this show every Monday through Friday at 8:30. We bring you the news, some information. I'll bring on the homies. We'll chat around some stuff. Oftentimes we have special guests to talk about projects and stuff that they're building in the ecosystem on Bitcoin and or the surrounding L2s. At 9:30, we play Find to Earn rounds with the Game Master Xenitron. We have rounds sponsored by LeoCoin, Flat Earth, Bitcoin Pepe, POS, Droid Token, and more. Every day we do that at 9:30 with opportunities to play to earn or find to earn. At 3 p.m. today, the Stacks AI Guild with Hero Gamer. I didn't tag the account. With Hero Gamer, 300, Bolu Peak, and Nosferatu. The Chad's running the AI Guild. They have their space every Monday at 3 p.m. That's a great time. At 5:30, you have All Things Crypto with Dave, Nat Crypto, Landy, and the gang Crypto. Landy is how I call him. And at 7 p.m., DeOrganized Nightly with GPSC and Friends is back. Come hang out with the Chads and get your roundup of what happened in the day. That is the DeOrganized account today, the organized calendar for today. Let me just read a quick word from our amazing sponsors. We have some really great sponsors in the ecosystem right now. Actually, I'm going to try it this way today. StackingDAO is the leading liquid staking platform for the Stacks network. StackingDAO is changing the game by letting users earn up to 10% APY on their STX while keeping their assets liquid. Unlike traditional staking, their unique design means no minimums and users start earning rewards immediately. So there are zero switching costs when moving from other stacking pools. Plus, you've got options. Choose to get your rewards in STX or SBTC, whatever fits your strategy. Want to start earning yields today? Head on over to StackingDAO.com and jump in. StackingDAO is where liquidity meets opportunity. And bitflow is the top DEX on Stacks, letting you trade native BTC, STX, SBTC, USDC, runes, and more, all in one place by aggregating prices on Alex, Arcadico, and Valar. Recently, bitflow rolled out flex pools, launching with STX pools to support liquid staking assets, offering flexible deposits, smarter rewards, deeper liquidity, no impermanent loss when you stack your STX tokens into the liquidity pools, and you can earn yields in the farm. great farming rewards over at bitflow.finance as well. That is the segment there. Let me bring on the homies. We got GP in the house. Good morning, GP. How you doing today, brother?
Good morning. Let's go. Still in the morning space with Benta and the Good Vibe
Nice.
Tribe. Starting off on the right foot. Getting it done, man.
You
Getting it
look
done.
like you look well rested, my brother. You got some break. You got a nice break
rest.
over the weekend. That's good.
I don't ever step away from the computer, so I'm always here grinding,
Always.
working on some assets for the game or whatever. I've got something to do here, so I completely disconnected. Very well rested.
Nice. Very nice. It's much needed and well earned, by the way.
Thank you, good sir. I
Always.
appreciate that.
And we got the brother, 300 in the house.
GM.
Good morning. Good morning.
Oh, good, bro. Yeah, same energy. Oh, gas, no breaks. Yeah, it's good to be here on the morning show with you guys. You know, we don't miss. Yeah, we're always on point.
That's right. We're here. We're here to do it. We get in, we get on it, and we keep going. That's the DeOrganized way. Just keep chipping away.
Yeah. So this volatility, dude, getting kind of crazy. Bitcoin just chopping sideways, really. But alts are just like getting exaggerated moves to the downside. Since Bitcoin moved from like 17K down to 112, and now back up to what? Bitcoin sitting around 150. Yeah, it's 112K right now. So it just seems like the chop, man. The chop is getting to me right now.
Yeah, the chop is real. You know what? There was a ton of options expiry going on for Friday, so we knew things were going to go in one way or another. But it looks like what happened was that the whales or the players that know how to play took advantage of the extremely generally low liquidity on Sunday nights, and did what they do, sent the markets down. And so what will probably happen is a lot of retail will freak out, sell, and then they'll keep the price low for a little while. Those players that push the market down will likely buy in when they feel like it's time. And then things will stabilize and start trending back up, likely. Not financial advice, but that's what I see happening. I don't think that based on how I see things having gone, just look at the ETF flows from last week. We had huge net inflows. There was like $1.6 billion that flowed into just Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs last week.
Yeah, and ETH outpaced BTC. So more.
Not the week, actually. Not last week. The week before, and for like a couple of weeks before, ETH was outpacing BTC, which is the first time really ever for any kind of sustained period since the ETFs got approved. But last week, actually, it turned back around. Earlier in the week, it was net outflows for Ethereum, and it just picked up towards the end of the week. So this correction, based on the inflows last week, we'll have to see what happens day to day over the next couple of days. But based on the inflows last week, it seems like there's still plenty of demand for Bitcoin and Ethereum in retail through the ETFs, which suggests that things should go smoothly. I do want to reiterate, though. Go ahead. You have a question.
Yeah. So I did read something on the timeline about two big Bitcoin wallets, like Satoshi era wallets, that are suppressing price action on Bitcoin. Read a bunch of different theories about why we have these massive inflows to these ETFs and why we don't see any upside right now. So, I mean, there's plenty of conspiracies that you could look into on the timeline.
Right. Well, the ETFs are buying out. The ETF purchases are outpacing supply. So the only way for price to go down is for some holders to be selling somewhere. And a lot of that's happening OTC. So it doesn't have the same effect on price necessarily, but it doesn't allow for the upward price pressure that you'd get if it was being bought on exchanges. The exchange supply is like empty. The exchanges have almost no Bitcoin right
Yeah,
now.
like all-time low last week, new all-time low for supply on exchanges. I think it was last week or the week before that. Yeah, it's looking like the exchanges don't have any Bitcoin to sell. So people putting that bid in whenever nobody's looking to sell pushes it up. So regular supply and demand dynamics there.
Yeah, exactly. It's
So-
supply. Well, and go ahead, Hannah.
Oh yeah. You can finish the conversation. I wanted to ask that. Now I saw that Trump and Elon, they mending their relationship. Are they going to pump our Bitcoin?
Come on, pump it. Let's go.
And they're, who knows, right? Who knows what? I mean, so what? The atmosphere where they were when that happened, right? We got to take a look at that. There was a major event. They were getting together to celebrate the life of somebody who had been assassinated. A guy who I consider to be a good actor, by the way. Like, there's a lot of people out there saying he's racist and homophobic and anti-free speech, and he does all these bad things. But I've watched a lot of footage, especially lately, on Charlie Kirk, and none of that narrative actually lines up. Where, so you got this kind of odd situation where people are almost like circling wagons, so to speak. So I think that's why you're seeing Trump and Elon kind of maybe making an amend. Number one, it was the atmosphere. They were at a somber event, so to speak.
Yeah.
And maybe that kind of also gave them a little bit more of a realization and a wake-up call about why they were together in the first place, why they were working together in the first place, and what they need to do with that. Morning, Tinderly. How you doing today, brother?
I'm very good, sir. How are you, sir?
Good morning, Tinderly.
GP, what's that back there?
Oh, this right here? You're talking
Yeah.
about this? This is a Cryptonaut skin that I was working on over the weekend. So it's got some cool stuff going on with it, right? Like I'm learning how to navigate Substance Painter to create different various skins and creating art within a 3D medium. This is one of the skins that will be used within the game. You can follow Cryptonauts_STX and get into the BoostX Discord to stay in the know, get some sneak peeks on some of these stuff that I am working on for this game. I also worked on a memo bot over the weekend from the Gigaverse. So we are there's a collaboration and partnership between Cryptonauts and the GPSC. So some of the lore from the GPSC and the Gigaverse will be seen within the game. So you'll see different characters that are going to be in the comic also in the game. So it's really cool. We've been experimenting with concepts and conceptualizing how to get this whole thing off the ground, right? It's an awesome innovation with the Stacks authentication flow and, connecting to Unreal Engine and then, creating a third-person shooter connected to on-chain activity. So I've been enjoying it, man. Just experimenting here and there. This is another thing on my to-do list is to go through and make characters for different, things within our ecosystem. May it be Spaghetti Punks or Leo, Cats, Rue, all of those. I have to go.
DeOrganized. I think there's some organized skins.
We have to have a mascot. We need a mascot for DeOrganized. Whether we just slap some eyes on the mic
This
and
is
some
stupid.
arms on the mic or something. But
I
we
have
need
an idea actually of something I want to do.
what
I
you
have
thinking?
lots of ideas I want to develop. I just don't have the time to do them all. Right
So
now.
relatable, dude.
Just
So
send the
relatable.
ideas and then we can cook. So
Yeah,
did you see the
Go ahead.
GP that was did you saw
Yeah.
the GP that was cooking on the machine
was
and the
great.
Peace Love who was wearing the VR and stuff.
I like
So
that.
yeah,
Yeah.
just send the ideas and we start cooking. And
Hunter's been
GP, what
grinding
you
all week.
I gotta bring
Yeah.
it up. I gotta bring it up, dude. I'm gonna
Yeah,
bring up this GP. Look at this GP that he made. We'll just scroll your timeline real quick because it's full of base
Yeah.
content, dude. It's so good. This dude just ships and ships
Yeah.
and ships. First thing I
Peace,
saw
don't
this
you
morning
think-
was this guy.
Oh yeah,
Right,
Xenitron.
Xenitron on the mountain.
GP, with the way that you are spending the time on the machine, I think you'll be wearing shades pretty much soon. You think you need them, bro. Look at me in peace, bro. Sometimes we're wearing shades.
Dude, I'm gonna have to get this purple hoodie and then this Bitcoin.
Yeah.
shade, bro.
Yeah, you have to get those Bitcoin shades because it's a good IP right there. Look, GP is cooking right there on his OSPAC machine and his curved monitor right there.
So good, dude. It's damn good. You've gotten really good at these
Hannah, how do you do that? How do you get that?
Yeah.
Like, how do you get
Follow.
it? Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, you can follow the tweet that I've sent, the one that is GP. You see, I've placed the prompts in there. Yeah, you can go ahead with the question.
Well, I was actually going to ask you, how do you make that come to that from there? Like where? So you have the prompt right in there.
Yeah, what I do is I go with the reference image. I can just download your PFP. So I downloaded GPS PFP right there, and I went to ChatGPT, and then I told ChatGPT that yeah, let's go.
Sorry, I couldn't hear it.
No problem. No problem. So yeah, I was saying that I went to ChatGPT and then I told ChatGPT that can you place this character in front of a screen, gaming room, and then it gives me that prompt. That first prompt, you can go to the first prompt. That's written image.
So yeah, also
I think there are two
Upload
prompts.
an image into ChatGPT, and you
Yeah,
say,
and-
give me a prompt to put this image into, make it a 3D image of a guy of this character sitting in front of a computer, gaming.
Yeah.
yeah, let's dive
Gaming
into
room.
this too, right? So ChatGPT, like from your prompt, it spit out this, right? Like give me gaming, and then look at what it puts out. Cinematic,
and then-
cinematic, hyper realistic render of the same Pepe style character with Bitcoin sunglasses, halo, and colorful hoodie, sitting at a
Yeah.
futuristic. Dude, it just spits out the most base. Like,
and then
How does VO
And then-
know? How does VO know what that means? You have to upload the PFP image in VO.
Yeah,
too?
so what I do is let me go step by step. I go to ChatGPT with the reference image and tell ChatGPT, can you create me a JSON prompt for this character to sit on a gaming room machine? And then it gives me the prompt, and then I go to Gemini Nano Banana, and then I put that image that I've downloaded on GPS profile, and then I place it in Nano Banana, and Nano Banana give me back the image, and then I go back to ChatGPT and say, ChatGPT, can you make this to a video? With that one, can you make this to a video where he's using the machine, is using the computer, he's typing on the keyboard, and then he touches his mouse, and if you see that is typing on the keyboard and then he uses his mouse. So and then I tell it also to add the negative prompt so that it won't glitch or add so much glitch on the machine. And then I go back to VO2 which is Google AI Studio, and then I paste that image that I got from the first prompt, and then I place it in there and just wait for a few seconds. I paste this prompt that GP is showing, and then
So
it
you're
gives me
making-
that video.
Prompt from Nano Banana. You're getting the prompt is to make an image. We'll make the image a Nano Banana, and then you take that image in Nano Banana and you use that to make the video.
Exactly, and I use that image to make the video. I think it was cool if I had shared the screen and showed you how I do it.
yeah, dude.
Yeah, absolutely,
it
man.
flies bird, man.
Awesome. Let me share my screen. Let me start off with ChatGPT here.
And then one thing you can do is follow the Stacks AI Guild on X. get into the DeOrganized Discord. Get involved, guys. It gets
I've shared my screen.
All right, let's bring this up here.
So
right,
yeah,
sick.
this is my my AI that I've trained to create images and prompts for me. So yeah, let's go back here to I was creating this. Ignore this. So let me look for the prompt that I've created for. Where is this? Okay, so let me just start over. Let's say let me jump on this, and this is my agent that I create with. So yeah, I started off with this. I say create me a JSON. I use JSON prompts. JSON prompt for this character.
Well, that makes sense. It's just like
on
makes it
to be
compatible.
on gaming room, and do not lose traits. And then it gives me a prompt. Let me see. Yeah, it creates me this prompt, and then I go through this, and it also added a negative prompt because I have trained it to do so. And then I copy this, and I go to AI Studio, which is here, Nano Banana, here, and then I place the reference image. Let me see. This is the reference image, and then I paste this, and let's see how it's gonna come out. I think it's gonna take close to 20 seconds to generate. Let's see how it's gonna come out. And also I can use Gemini to create image and see which one creates a good image for me. Like this, upload, do the same thing, upload here, paste my JSON prompt in there. So yeah, so this one, it's more like this. Okay, can you see this one?
Let me see.
Yes.
Okay, so this one I can tweak. I can say make it 4K. So this is how good Nano Banana is, which is I can tell it what to do, and then it creates me right away.
That's crazy.
So
you've been telling me to check out Nano Banana, and I've been sleeping on it, dude. Look at this. Like, it's
change the character to 4K. So yeah, let's use the one that I've created before with the prompt. Okay. So let me see which tab am I sharing. So Nano Banana is crazy, bro. It's doing it's replacing Photoshop. We used to take so much time on Photoshop trying to change images and stuff. So right now Nano Banana is taking over. So let's say this image, let me take this image and okay, let me download this, and then I go back to Chat GPT and say create me a VO3 video, create me a JSON prompt for a VO3 video, 8 seconds for this character to use the computer and the mouse. You can even tell it to make something on the screen or play a game on the screen. Let's say on the character to play Call of Duty. Play a shooter game on the computer, and add negative prompt. And let's see how it's gonna come out. But I'm sure it's gonna come out nice.
Yeah, I mean,
Since
it's
we
really
are
good so far.
So I've been using some of the Google AI suite, but I didn't realize that there was a specific site for Google AI Studio.
Yep.
Yeah, it has. Let me share. I'll share the link in the chat. So this one is more of their test net, where we are testing their platforms. So right now it's I was happy that GP gave me the alpha that now it is 10 generations, because back then it used to give us a trouble to create videos, because there were a lot of people creating videos at the same time. So I think their server wasn't supporting a lot of traffic. So
Right.
yeah, right now when we are in this, we can
Like 10 videos a day instead of 3.
yeah
10 per
account.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what you do here?
Forever, or is it daily?
No, it's
I think month.
in
Is it per month?
general. Oh, a month? Okay.
Yeah, because I used up the other account, so it didn't reload those. So I think it's per month. So, which is good if you have like a bunch of emails. So yeah, right now let me show you how to. I've made this. I've made this video prompt. So I copy these. Go back to.
Do you have to save it as a PNG?
Yeah, it's already a PNG file when I've downloaded in Nano Banana. So I just so I go to here, upload the reference image, and then I paste in there. So the aspect ratio I like 16:9. So let me run it and see how it's gonna come out. Why is it failing? You see what we were telling.
High command. Oh, so people are still that same thing, that high combat. So try in a few moments. What I do whenever that happens on it is just keep clicking, and then eventually you'll get into the queue. They will.
So now we are in the queue. So as we are waiting for this one didn't come out nice with the Gemini got it all wrong. You see, it placed the image in the frame.
Well,
but anyways,
play it. See what it does, just to show off, like, hey, how we iterate, right? Like, if you don't get something that you like, then maybe just reiterate it. Like,
it's not 16 by 9 either. It's just a square image.
Yeah. So right now let me use their VO3 and see how it's gonna come out. Paste with VO3. It's gonna take 1 to 3 minutes to create using their VO3. So
we'll have a referral link for this. Yeah.
For the what?
For the Google AI suite. The Google AI.
Yeah, definitely. Let me send it right now in the chat.
We should be definitely pumping that out with the Stacks AI Guild. All the tools that are being used in the Stacks AI Guild should be under, a BNS under the zone file and all that stuff, so people can go use it. And,
yeah, that's true. Gemini. And so right now in VO3, let's see if it comes out nice. Yeah, it's still funny, but yeah, it's kind of there. Yeah, you see, there's
it's got a game in the background, dude. Literally, you could see where it focused. Right, it put its focus on like making sure that the game was on the game was in the background. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Actually got real gameplay. It's insane.
Yo.
Yeah, Cryptonauts in there. So let's see how VO3 got this one, and also has a sound. Wow, it is a sound.
This new update is insane. Gotta focus. These guys are getting wrecked.
Oh, are you hearing the sound?
Are you serious, dude? They added sound to it immediately.
They added sound and video. Yeah, and
it almost sounds like GP.
Yeah,
that's crazy. These guys are getting wrecked.
Man, this new update is insane. Gotta focus.
And
These
also
guys are
the mouse
getting
clicks.
wrecked.
Wow. A VO3 is stupid,
Man, this new
bro.
update is insane.
So that is VO3, right?
Gotta
Not
focus.
VO2.
These guys are getting wrecked.
Yeah, that is VO3.
Look how it
That is
Man, this
changes
new
VO3.
update is insane.
It changes
Yeah.
perspective, dude.
And also
Like,
it's
it's
looking crispy. It's looking crispy with VO3.
Like the camera moves around him, right? That's crazy.
Yeah.
That looks great.
Man, this new update is insane. Gotta focus. These guys are getting wrecked.
Yeah, it's looking all 3D.
They're wrecked.
So yeah, getting wrecked. So yeah. Yeah, that is all about this. And if you have any questions, yeah, I'll be ready to share.
This is exactly why you should be hanging with the Stacks AI Guild, man. There's a Stacks AI Guild Spaces today, no?
3 p.m.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. This is where you get the alpha. You get with these guys. They're iterating. They are experimenting with the latest workflows. This is how you get into the game. You want to be able to learn new ways and new workflows to create awesome content. People like 300, Balu, we've got Hero in there hanging, and everybody's experimenting and trying to find new use cases for these different AIs. What may it be content creation, community management. We've got vibe coding, all of that coming out of the Stacks AI Guild. So I really think that's cool, man. Sick that you're not gatekeeping the skills too.
Yeah, we don't have to gatekeep, bro. Like if
Right.
I share my skill, you share my skill, we can create Voltron, bro, together. So did anybody use Claude? Because Claude seems like it's good at writing. Because I've experimented with a free one because I see how it's writing, and it's not showing like it's AI.
Yeah, Claude is good. Claude is good, and it's especially good for referencing different things, different sites, and stuff like that. You can even reference the SIP repository, right? And get your authentication flow set up. Claude is based.
Did you check Copilot? Copilot is some cool stuff in the background. If you go to Copilot and then Labs, it's now making 3D renders, gaming gaming experience demos. You can make a game in there demo. Let me share the link. Copilot Labs.
Yeah,
You can check it out. I think you need to check it out since you're working on gaming assets and stuff. So this one you can use it free. You can check out using free stuff. 3D. You can turn your image to 3D, like turning 2D images to 3D.
That's insane, dude. I've been using something called Meshy to create my meshes for the game, and then plugging it into Substance Painter to tidy them up. I'm gonna incorporate Blender, or there's a ZBrush is another one that I might incorporate into the workflow. But it's insane, man, how easy or feasible it is becoming to create these different assets in different styles. May it be content, may it be a game asset. 3D creation is very feasible. I saw something the other day where they created an AI where you could plug in a video. Imagine plugging in booty dancing. You plug in a reference image for Giga Pepe and a Rue or something else. It'll go through and then copy the motions of the two characters within a movie scene, video game, whatever it is, and then plug it into a video. So you know how they used to have motion capture where you wear this whole suit and you get the different movements to then translate to game actions and stuff like that. Well, now you can just plug in a video and it'll map out the movement onto your 3D model. Crazy, dude. Crazy. I gotta find the name of that one.
Did you get the one that I sent, Reallusion? I used to use it back then, making rigs of some characters and stuff. So, and also it's really good at creating like real people and gaming assets. I think Call of Duty also uses these tools. You can check it out. I forgot the other one. I'll send it to you. I think it'll be good. Hey, Peace, did you deal with Buddy, the Wonder Puppy?
I was dealing with Buddy the Wonder Puppy is actually out of his, he's just walking around, hanging out. So he's actually been really pretty good for the majority of the show.
Okay.
He was actually getting a little bit feisty with the bitflow jungle drums video. He's like, "What is this? What's going on?"
It does the same thing to me.
but he's as I mentioned, we've been having some trouble with him. He's a big dog, and while I'm confident enough in dealing with him, my wife and daughter are a little less consistently.
I'm gonna come up there. I'm gonna come up there and show Buddy who's boss, man, and be like, "Hey, man, you know what, buddy?"
We had a trainer come over on Saturday. We're gonna do a couple more weeks of one-on-one lessons, and honestly, there was you gotta actually establish. I mean, this is a dog that's like, he's an awesome dog. I love him to death. He's so good, but he's big and he's strong, and he's establishing his dominance because that's what they're gonna do if nobody else is actually establishing that with him. And
you gotta strike.
They're too submissive and uncomfortable and scared. They're scared, like not scared that he's going to hurt them, but they're not.
He's marking his territory.
Right. And so it's normal for him to be like, this is mine. And, now he's laying on the ground right next to me, just looking up at me. He's actually,
he knows he's boss. He's learning. He's still a puppy. He's still young. So
he's still a puppy. He's huge, but he's still a puppy. He's doing actually awesome. We just, most of the lesson on Saturday was my wife standing in the kitchen at the oven area and having him come. We've been, so one of the things is we're leaving him with his leash on in the house. And using that to kind of establish, take the leash, or just saying to him, go on, and being a little bit assertive to get him to go away from you. Learn to respect your personal space, because he doesn't. He jumps up, he comes over, he wants to play, and he just wants to play, but he's also establishing dominance by jumping up on you and stuff.
Exactly what it is.
Let him do that. He doesn't know, so. That's where it is, and I have an easier time with that because I'm just a little bit.
You're also a male. I'm
a dad with a lot of kids. I know, like I've been a coach. I just understand. It's just a natural way about me. It's not even actually something I have to consciously think of. Right. Usually, to be, I'm the man of the house. It's just my role, So I'm not scared of no dog. I don't care if he bites me or not. I'll bite him right back. That's
right. You got to bite back sometimes with these dogs and let them know, man. That's what I did with Bruce, is like just establish very early that like, hey, I'm not taking no shit. I'm the one in charge, and because I knew he was just gonna get so giant that I nipped it in the bud earlier. I know that you're handling the biz with him, and he'll fall in line. Usually, it's a
huge difference just being able. My wife can say, "Go on," and he'll leave the kitchen instead of jumping up on the counters and stuff like that. So
I'm very sure
on the counter.
Oh
I'm very sure. I'm very sure
the butter. He loves.
I'm very sure
the butter on the counter.
I'm very sure if it were the Cabal days, somebody would have created the tokens Buddy or Bruce.
Wait. It's gonna be Buddy Love Music, man.
Oh snap! Buddy Love Music.
We're gonna do
nice.
You could probably get a pianist on it.
We might actually. I have Buddy Love Music. I already have BuddyLoveMusic.btc. My daughter hates that, by the way, for whatever reason. I cannot come up with funny dog names and not have her get mad at me about it. Like any name I suggest, which like I think I'm trying to think of what my oldest son had named him, something like Budford LL McFriend Boy, and of course everyone loved that one. That one was hilarious, but I can't name him Buddy Love Music or any other silly name.
I love Buddy Love Music.
Buddy Love Music.
Yeah, Buddy
right?
Love.
It's good.
Do you know John Wick's dog's name?
No,
no, I forgot. What is it?
Dog.
Is it Dog?
Dog. That's a
Dog
good
is based. That's a base.
dog.
Sir Peace Love, I wanted to drop.
Yeah, man. I'm sorry. I meant to segue into that. I get distracted by the dog talk. But speaking of dog coins, you have a collaboration you want to talk about.
Yeah. So, Jamie is a person that actually loves the African culture, and on a conversation, he was a big fan of Fela Kuti, the biggest African Afrobeat artist from Nigeria, and he decided to collab with Talk. So I would actually share my screen to show you guys the post, and you guys could go check it out too as well.
Yeah, absolutely, guys. You should be following Tinderly, by the way. If you're not, it's Tinderly on x.btc. It says it right down there in his handle, and then you can see these posts when they come out, because he does produce a lot of great content. All right, what do you got? I haven't. Did you actually tag Fela Kuti in this? Oh, no, I like it. Did I just see a memo bot in there too? Throwback or something? It looked like a memo bot in there. I love it, man. Awesome stuff. And I was not aware that you guys were working on a collaboration with Jamie, but he's a good friend of ours, a good friend of the show. Awesome Jamie. Actor in the space. He's a good guy. We love him to death. Actually, I got to get him to come on again. We haven't talked to him in a while on the show.
We need to.
But I love that. It is just about time. We're actually a little bit past time. So he's a good dude. Yeah, and I love that the Talk app is actually getting some collab.
He was the first person. He was among the first person that brought me into stacks. He, Binks, Mudito, and some other dudes too. So even before I met GP, so yeah, he's a very good dude.
Yeah, no, Jamie's a good dude. He was one of the first people I started working with on stuff back when we were putting together Stacks Link that just didn't quite work out the way we wanted to. He was actually working with me on, we were going to write some articles together on Stacks and put them on Stacks Link and other stuff he's been working on too. Go on. Uh-oh. He's not taking his go on. He's going to, I want to go on you. No, come on.
Buddy's like, hey, I'm boss. I'm boss today. No, buddy. No, I'm boss.
And also, I think we'll be having a Discord or a Telegram out for Talk soon.
Hey,
for some content.
Buddy, what's going on, Paisano? Hey, let's go. He just wants the love. He does, but I can't. All right. You know what? Real quick, I'm going to play a word from our sponsors, and we'll be back with Find to Earn rounds, guys. Stay tuned. Let's go. I might have to put the puppy in his crate for a couple more minutes.
The Game Master is here in his true form. How are you today, sir?
GM Mortals. As eternal as ever. Let the fun begin.
We are back with another episode of Find to Earn, where our hunters go to the Skullcoin BTC page. Once they hear the countdown, they know the game round has launched. They must share out the live stream in order to be eligible to win prizes. We have prizes sponsored by a bunch of the Stack's amazing meme coin community, including Leo Coin, Bitcoin Pepe, the only Pepe coin you need to know about, the Orange Frog, Flat Earth, Droid, and POS by the STX AI community, plus our jackpot round. We did not have a winner on Friday, so I think we have a pretty substantial jackpot round today too, sir.
Right. Today is 60 stacks.
60 stacks up for grabs, plus a bunch of meme tokens. So you must share out the live stream, and you must share, like, and repost the game rounds. The first round will be launched live on this, and we're going to actually give live viewers an opportunity to see the first round image before the game round launches. And I'm actually going to bring that up for you guys right now. We are looking for... It's another Flat Earth episode, and you got this interesting hedgerow in front of this brick building, the brick sidewalk. There's going to be some interesting stuff. You got this light pole or flag pole here, and you're going to be... When the game round launches, we're going to give you a countdown. You're going to go over to the Skullcoin BTC page on X. That's at Skullcoin BTC. There, you will see a post with a link to a Google Maps. That is your starting location. The image will be located below that post. That is the image you're looking to find. When you find that image, you're going to click on this share button right here, and that'll give you a link. The first person that gets that link and drops the proper coordinates with the link below the post on X wins the prize for that round. But you, again, have to share out the live stream, and you have to like and repost the game rounds. If you are the first one that finds the image, but you did not do those two steps, you will actually forfeit your prize to the next person. And also, you'll be giving the answer just away to the next person if they haven't actually already found it. So make sure that you like and repost the game rounds and you share out the live stream. And this game is going to launch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Hyundai.
Let the fun begin.
Hajime.
Like and repost the game. Don't forget.
Right. And like and repost the game round and the game. And I'm going to, you guys want to do a multi-screen share again? I'm going to share mine.
Yeah, I'm going to jump on in just a second. And uno momento.
I put the wrong. I didn't do it all.
Uno, dos,
Cuatro,
tres.
seis. Let's go.
So here is your game round. You got to like and repost. I already... Oh. Game round's not there yet? Oh, here it is. All right. Here's your live stream right here. The Game Master makes it easy. All you have to do is like and repost this live stream, and then like and repost the game round. You're clicking on this link. That'll bring you into the Google Maps. And let me actually how do we do this? I'm gonna hide myself. When GP shares his and Hunter, whoever wants to share, go ahead and share. And we'll change it up. It's gonna end up being like this eventually. I'll keep mine up for now. So where do I think that brick house is gonna be? This is a pretty large location. I'm gonna tap on my little yellow peg man. That gives me all the places I could be searching. And around the corner here.
Okay, while the people are playing, let me launch the whitelist game, one of it.
All right, sounds good. Sounds good. And we do have whitelist rounds for new players because we have some amazing pro players. It's really hard to win against some of our pro series set of players that are leading the leaderboard. We have a lot of great talent in this ecosystem, and especially people that are really good with these find to earn games. But this is basically how it works. You're just looking around the area, trying to find.
Okay, we have a winner. It's a new player, Cody.btc. He won like maybe 4 times before. Congrats. And
Let's
we
go.
launch whitelist round in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. And we have one more whitelist round. These whitelist rounds will have 2 locations from the POS coin. Be ready. We have double whitelist round, double whitelist game. The next game. Let's play this one. Don't forget to like and repost each game. It's important.
That's right. And if you are
we just preparing our leaderboard and new things that coming.
Yes, and we have the whitelist rounds are by registration only. If you are a new player, you want to be added to these whitelist rounds, you have to go comment underneath the game rounds and or message me or Xenitron, and we'll get you on there. We'll get you added to the whitelist rounds. You got to be a new player. Once you win 2 times, you are no longer eligible to be on the whitelist. And usually the whitelist rounds are pretty easy. You just click on the link, and then here it is.
Go forward.
You walk forward.
Okay, the winner of whitelist round, the first person who won was Trihana. Congrats.
Hey, let's go.
Yay! Gigalo! Kamaska!
That's it. That's the location right there. Is it? No, it looks the same, but it doesn't have.
Yeah, congrats, man. So we have one more whitelist round. The next whitelist round will have 2 locations. So there will be 2 prizes. You can find one or another. Get ready. We start next whitelist round.
All right.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. POS.
Let's go. So we have Flatter, POS, and Bitcoin Pepe in the first 3 rounds. And guys, remember to like and repost the game rounds. You must like and repost the rounds in order to be eligible to win those rounds. And again, this is a whitelist round. Oops, I didn't show you guys. So you click on the link. And usually you're just moving forward. We're looking for that POS mascot outside of the King of Prussia Mall. Whoops. Went into the garage.
Okay, we have the first winner for the mall wallet. It's Unrally Fire. He was faster than 300 just for 5 seconds. But we have still no winner for the second image. For the big label. We still have no winner, hunters. We need a winner.
Let's see.
Okay, everyone found the first image, but we still have no winner for the second one. It's a little bit harder. Let's see who can get it.
I don't know if this is the right spot or not. I don't think so. Oh, maybe. Yeah, it is. So if I was guessing, I would click share,
I think
copy the link.
I think that the game master is playing mind games with us with this one.
Honestly, it's just around the corner, guys. It's just around the corner. It's a little further. You just got to go a little further, guys. Don't be scared.
Okay, the first person who found it is Mr. Phoenix. Congrats.
Let's go. Let's go. Congratulations to our winners.
Makurokoto.
This is how we do it.
This is how we do it.
I'm reminded of a tax H&R Block commercial that used that song. That's great. That's a great branding.
This is how we do it.
You know what's great branding? That JG Wentworth ad from fucking 20 years ago. I had a structured settlement, but I need cash now.
If only I had a structured settlement.
Call JG Wentworth 877 cash now.
877.
Okay, get ready. The next round we play Leo round.
All right, Leo coin. It is Leo Monday, by the way, guys. Get up and get it. Leo is one of the OG tokens in the Stacks ecosystem. Tremendous community. And we are very blessed to have such projects that sponsor these rounds. Guys, by the way, that's one of the reasons why we need you to share out the game rounds, need you to share out the live stream. It helps us grow. It helps us reach a bigger audience. And it makes it worthwhile for these tokens to sponsor these rounds. We know that you guys all love these tokens, but it's helping get them exposure to new people. That really is the value here, is onboarding new people into Stacks. So make sure that you are sharing out the live stream. It really does help us tremendously. It makes, if you guys don't do that, we won't be able to keep doing these game rounds on a regular basis. And we love doing this, by the way. This is like the highlight of my day most days.
Okay, let's launch the Leo round. Who want to count down?
I'll do a countdown. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kamaskan, let's go.
Come on, let's go, Jekalo.
Hajime.
I almost just shut off the live stream.
Oh no, not again.
You do it one time out of like 500.
I remember because we were doing the nightly and you ended up.
And I had to leave. I had to leave.
I'm out of here, guys. I'll see y'all later. I'm gonna go get some rest, and then you're like, "I'll talk to you soon. Peace." And then ended the live stream. It was so good, dude.
I'm still sorry about that.
Oh, dude, I laughed. I got such a good laugh out of it. It was good.
Sometimes old PeaceLoveMusic is tired by 8 p.m. at night, which is pathetic, but it's just the truth.
No, I get it. Oh, I most definitely get it. You grind hard. You put your all into everything that you do. Sometimes you just, by 7, 8 o'clock, it's just like, let's go. I got this last thing to do, and then you're kind of just an autopilot, so to speak. So yeah, I get it.
I kind of half live in autopilot anyway. Like My wife calls it like I do things.
What's autopilot?
It's when I go and do tasks that I have to do in the physical world while I'm thinking about other things and not really paying attention to the tasks because they're routine stuff that I can kind of do without leveraging my full intellectual capacity. If that makes sense.
Yeah, it does.
By the way, okay, we have a winner. It's nixie.btc.eth.
Let's go.
Congrats.
Congrats.
Let's go.
We have one more jackpot round for today. By the way, I changed the camera, but I think my quality of picture is too good. It's like 4K. I have to downgrade it. Yeah.
Oh, let's see.
It looks fine. No, I wouldn't downgrade it. I think it looks great.
Super.
Fire. It looks great. Yeah.
That's the new
Okay.
camera.
Yeah.
Nice.
Looking good.
Nice.
Yeah, very nice.
Now
I
the
steal
underworld
from
looks nice.
some Lich King in Underworld.
Yeah,
Okay.
only Zenny can make the underworld look good.
You see
Okay,
the Zenny. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, I need to test it before there's some bigger things coming.
Ooh,
Okay.
interesting.
Let's launch the jackpot round. 60 stacks. Everyone get ready. You have to find the ships like you like it. I know. Not so hard. We will give you the clue. We want to see the winner today.
The best part about Zenny's accent is that I'm not sure if I'm looking for sheep or ships.
Me too. Me too. I'm ready for both though. I'm here
Ready
for
for both.
They're looking for shit.
You are not looking for shit for sure. Okay. Maybe it's cow shit.
Gotta start being like, is it alive or is it in the water?
Yeah, but then it could be a floating dead sheep.
Damn, dude. Good point.
But by the way, do you hear me well?
Yes.
Overall?
Yeah, come
We
on.
can hear
I
you.
Yeah, loud
I
and
make
clear.
the holes the bigger from Underworld. Okay, let's
Ooh.
let's launch. Who want to count down?
I'll do it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Hamas Khan.
Good
All right.
luck, hunters.
To be honest, I have no idea the difference in pronounce sheep and sheep, so I called this episode like Sheep It. Let's go.
All right.
I like
So
it.
I've got mine. I'm looking to. We are in the game. We are on the Skullcoin BTC.
Like and repost the game before you play. Don't try
Yes.
to win like and repost after. Like Nixie did, but it's okay.
Oh,
Bad boy. Okay, let's go. Only one winner.
all right. So we're gonna get 5 minutes, and then if no winner, we'll do a clue.
Yeah, we'll give you a clue anyways. Like, yeah.
Having difficulty refreshing. I'm having issues.
Take that image again.
We still have no winner. It's fair competition. Everyone can win. You have just to find this place.
All right, there we go. Now I'm in the game.
GPSC in the game. Very good. Okay, in couple minutes you will receive the clue. $60 stacks for the winner. One day it will be huge. One day.
When
I mean,
the
at
game
the,
master
at the
wins
previous
5
all,
times earlier.
previous all-time high, I was a couple $100.
Yeah, just depends how can
Massive.
you hold or not.
Right.
Found cows, not sheep.
Yeah, somebody already found
Cows
the cows.
Finding the cows. Look at that. Wrong animal, wrong species. Maybe across the way they got sheep. I feel like I'm getting closer. We got sheep over here.
You guys remember the old Looney Tune cartoon with the wolf, the wolf with the southern drawl that would like try to infiltrate the shepherders. It was like a droopy
And it would
cartoon.
wear like the sheep skin, a wolf in sheep's clothing.
Yes, he would put and he'd be like, he'd like pretend he was a sheep.
Yeah, he thought he
He
was
was like-
smart, dude. He would always get caught.
Or sometimes he'd pretend he was a cat. He'd like, meow, man, meow.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Okay, are you ready for the clue?
Yes, please.
Let's go. We're dropping the clue. So we start telling here on the organized show. You have to go to the northeast.
Oh, northeast of the starting location. I definitely went southeast.
Yeah,
There
I
you go.
didn't go
North.
either.
Yeah, so the orienteer the northeast, and you have to see on the picture there is on right side there is a green wall.
Ooh, a green wall as well. Okay, so double clues for this round. Side, and it is in the northeast quadrant. Let's go.
Let's go, hunters.
Let's go.
Seen a lot of cows. Not a whole bunch of sheep.
I haven't seen any animals really yet.
No animals at all. I've seen 2 different herds of cows. Excuse me.
Hmm.
We still have no winner, but everyone have a chance. You just have to find this location. Very intense game.
Yes, it is. That's 60 stacks. at all-time high is a nice little bag.
There it is.
You getting closer? I feel like I might. Oh, I feel like I may be getting close.
Found some sheep.
Me too. Right species.
I wonder how long it'll be before the AI will actually be able to do this for us. Like it'll actually be able to just kind of like go through Google Maps and find the sheep.
You know, quantum computing has been a big topic, right? How Bitcoin, Solana's founder was talking about how Bitcoin may be able, like the cryptography of Bitcoin may be able to get cracked by 2030 by quantum computing.
It could even be, it could potentially, yeah. Well, 2030 is not even that far away, but yeah, it's inevitable that it will happen. It's once they get to a certain amount of qubit compute power, it'll actually be able to derive your private key from your address. So eventually, the whole system's going to have to be upgraded to become quantum resistant. And even your old transactions will be like, you will need a new wallet. You won't be able to keep your same wallet and seed phrase functionality. It'll have to change.
Yeah, but as I mentioned, we can redraw the picture and it will be very hard. I believe now like somebody can build some of kind of AI agent, but in the fast games, this agent will not have like advantage because people are too fast already.
Yeah.
Okay, everyone, focus more on north because you are going to the east too much. It's more on north.
All right.
It's
So
far
more
from the starting location. It's on the north, little bit east.
North by northeast.
Going more north for greener pastures.
Just catch the road with green wall.
Let's we've been running this for about 10 minutes, so let's give them another minute or two, and if we don't find it after a clue and then a reclue,
Ooh,
we'll have a bigger.
No sheep's butts.
Okay, we can drop another clue.
You want to do another clue? We can definitely do another clue.
Okay, everyone on the show, you can listen this. It's between the bar and the church.
Between the barn and the church? At a time like this? Okay, I'm gonna find a barn and a church. Let's go.
Okay, bar and church.
Sir GP, Sir Trihana is back.
There you go. What's up, 3? Back in the business.
What up? What up? I was chilling in the backstage, having a Kool-Aid.
Oh, just kicking it with the cool kids.
Still no sheep. Still no sheep.
At a
Still no
time like
sheep.
this, really?
Then we are in deep.
You're
Okay, we drop you the clue, the last clue of the
barn in the
location.
church.
This looks nice.
Okay, who will be first will be the winner. We dropping the clue of the area right now. Are you ready?
I
Yes.
am. I feel like I'm so close.
Let's go. The clue in the comments. Let's go. We want to see the winner.
Alright, let's go to the comment section.
Who will be the first and who will be the first?
This is exhilarating.
I think like people are lazy. We should make it easier games for them.
people are definitely.
Hunters, you are lazy really. Okay, 1 minute guys, we give you all information.
Looking at the wrong side of the road. Looking at the wrong side of the road. Huh.
Then you swap it for stacks?
What's that?
Oh, sorry. Ooh, I found it. Alright. Alright, so I'm in the general vicinity of the right location. Let's see if I can pinpoint this.
Okay, last like 20 seconds and we move price tomorrow. Seems like you can find only cows today.
Only cows, dude. The only cows, dude. As soon as I get to I find the general vicinity, and it's like, okay, you got 30 seconds, GP.
It sounds like OnlyFans for the
Okay,
heavy.
we have a winner. Seems like it's a crypto lady. Congrats.
Hey, let's go.
Crypto Lady, let's go, dude. Congrats.
Let's go. Is he part of the dude squad?
No,
Crypto Lady?
he's
I don't
in
think so.
squad with Crypto Finder.
I think I found it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, congrats. Let's see about this location real quick. Let's
Okay,
go,
well played,
dude.
everyone.
That's not it.
Tomorrow the jackpot refresh, so we make it easier. 20 stacks. Grabs for everyone.
Let's
All right,
go.
let me show you how to get to this location real quick. Like, whoops.
I think I was on the right road. I just wasn't.
Yeah.
I feel like I got close to that. I mean, Xenitron gave us a gimme on that one. He was ready for that game to be like, hey, this.
He wanted us to find it. He
like,
wanted
you
us
guys
to
need to find this one.
I found the sheep, but not the right sheep.
All right, so what
Okay,
you were
well
supposed
played,
to
everyone.
do is
We
go like
continue
this.
tomorrow, and we are working on ship to leaderboard on website. We are working on it.
Let's go. Let's go.
We'll be back tomorrow.
You should go.
See you,
All right.
everyone.
Awesome.
We'll
Another
send the
amazing.
prize
Zenny.
soon.
Thank you, Zenny, for another great episode of Find to Earn. Always a great time. Another great episode of the Let's Go Morning Show. Brought to you by DeOrganized and our amazing friends that come and play with us every day. Really appreciate you guys. Actually, we don't need that.
Yep.
All right, guys. Another great show. Another great time. Too many clues and still couldn't find it. Even at the end, I was in between. I had the road because of the clue that he dropped on the game round on X. I still couldn't find it. It was a tough one. I wanted those 60 STX.
Me too, dude. How to say it? Still no sheep. Deep.
Deep sheep.
Deep sheep.
He said the words.
Man.
Honestly, I want to shout out Hannah. Thank you so much for showing us your process and giving me a little bit more ammo to go tackle the Google AI Studio processes, because I think that's going to help me be a little bit more productive on some stuff that I've been working on there. What do you guys, anyone have? There is a D Grant space at noon with Melanie for the creator track. Make sure you guys tune in. If you're not familiar, D Grants is a community decentralized grants program on Stacks. It's for bootstrapping builders looking to start new projects or needing a little bit of bootstrap funding to help move them to the next phase. There is a total of $100,000 available. It's broken up between between 4 tracks. Each track has $25,000. There's a creator artist track. There is a community and social fi track. There is a DeFi and tooling track. And then the Blue Sky track, which is for anything that doesn't fit into one of those other 3 tracks, but is something that we could use in the ecosystem. And they're all geared towards finding ways to make Stacks easier to use and promote the use of Stacks, Bitcoin, SBTC, onboarding users, total value locked, on-chain transaction growth, and so on. These spaces happen every day throughout the next couple of weeks. You can join any one of the spaces to learn more about it. If you have a specific track in mind, definitely go check out their space. But feel free to come by any space. The Blue Sky track space is tomorrow at noon. Hattie's community space is at 11 on Thursday. On Friday at 2 p.m. is the DeFi space with Benai and Big Mac. Great stuff happening. So make sure you get out and join. At 3 p.m. we have the AI Guild, the Stacks AI Guild space. It's also a great time to get in. If you guys are looking to grow your ability to create content or even some vibe coding using the AI Guild is the place to start. Make sure you check out their space. GP, you got anything specific you're working on today?
Yeah, just working on those normal the normal queue for Mondays, getting ready for the rest of the week. Tomorrow we've got like screen shares going on, different spaces. I'll be jumping into the D Grant spaces to support and just launching different stuff within the Zest and StackingDAO Discords. So come kick it with me in the Zest and StackingDAO Discords.
Right on. Yeah, you guys definitely need to go say hi in the Zest and StackingDAO Discords, by the way. It's a great way to kind of keep your finger on the pulse of what's happening in those projects. And there's actually a really strong community there too. So it's a good place to go find your friends and get engaged. Hannah, Tinder, you guys got anything else going on? You're just hanging out in the ecosystem today?
Yeah. Today.
Trying.
Go ahead, Tenderly.
Okay. Yeah. So a little bit of spaces as usual. Trying to get into hosting more live streams. I didn't make up to having much live streams last week, so wanna cover for that this weekend. Also do some research as well.
Nice.
Nice.
What about you, Hannah? What's going on, Bubba?
Oh yeah. I'll try to hang on in the ecosystem. Just got some IRL to handle.
Yeah, you guys,
but
I know
yeah,
you got some
I'm
stuff you're working on at the home front too, man.
Yeah.
I know you're
Sweet.
cranking all day long on multiple fronts, like all of us. But
Yeah.
I know it's
Following
gonna
your
work out.
footsteps. Following your footsteps. You and GP, you're grinders. So yeah, what it
Yeah,
is, just the
we're all
energy rubbing off.
I'm following your footsteps, man.
I'm following both of your footsteps.
Respect.
Let's go. All right, guys. Another great episode. Thank you all for joining us today. I am Peace Love Music. We are DeOrganized Media coming at you on Bitcoin Live, decentralized broadcasting every Monday through Friday. Go out and support your ecosystem. Share out the live stream. Let your friends know about what's going on here. And we'll see you tomorrow. Y'all have a blessed rest of your day. Peace out.
Let's go.
By the way, guys, don't mess with us. We got the Jedi.
I need to get this.
Thanks, guys. Have a great day.
Let's go.
Have a great day, guys. Peace out.
Peace.